Hello everybody! Today we're going to unbox the Ausdom M04s wireless Bluetooth headset, take a close-up look and pair it with my smartphone. So let's go ahead and open up the package. And let's check to make sure that there's nothing else left in that package. And now we can take a close-up look around the box of the headset. So here is some technical data for the headset. So it is a pair of headphones with a built-in microphone for phone calls and audio music enjoyment. So let's go ahead and open up the box. And checking once again to make sure that the box is emptied out, and we can set that to one side. And always check on the underside of the tray to make sure that there's nothing stuck beneath it. So we do have a user manual for the Ausdom M04s wireless Bluetooth headset. So the user manual text comes in or is available with a few different languages. And there is a double-ended 3.5mm audio cable. So this is for connecting the headset directly to your music player, especially if you have a legacy player such as a cassette Walkman, or if you just simply want to conserve some power by not using the Bluetooth or wireless connectivity. And just to show you the cable length, which is always handy to know. Let me just move that cable to one side so you can see a bit more clearly. Okay, so reasonably long. So we can set that down to one side now, and let's check out the other cable. So this is a micro USB charging cable. And there's something to note as well that I've just recalled on this audio cable is that the connectors are gold plated, which is quite a nice premium feature to see on the accessories. Okay, let's set that back down. And then let's go ahead and check out the cable length for the charging cable. We might as well do this since we've undone the previous cable. Just be weird not to. So that's the length of the micro USB charging cable. Okay, now I can set that down. And then finally take a look at the headset. So let's go ahead and pop them out from its tray here. So this is the red and black version. Let me set the tray up there and reposition some of the contents so they're not too distracting. Okay, so this is the red and black version. There is a full black version and a black and silver version. So this is red black, and let me just hold it so that it's in the correct orientation. So there are markers on the outside of the headset housing. So this is the left side, as you can see, with the L marking there. And then, of course, on the opposite side, there is an R for right. So left on the left side, right on the right side, as you can see right now. So this headset is surprisingly light, noticeably light, and we'll take a close-up look in just a moment. And as you've noticed, the ear cups do swivel, so they'll give you that nice positioning around your ears. So that's good comfort and noise isolation or fitment. So that's fully turned and locked right there. And then to turn it the opposite direction, it goes like that. So that's fully locked as well in the opposite direction. And then this is the standard positioning or orientation. And with the headband, there is an lightly embossed Ausdom branding on the soft headband. So there is a frame in the midsection of it. As you can see, it's nice and soft. And the main thing is we want to know about the underside, not so much on the top side. So let me get the camcorder to focus once again. There we go. So decent cushioning right there. And then the ear cups, of course. So they have a leatherette cover, which is nice and soft, and has nice cushioning inside of it. And on the insides, just light padding, and then the frame of the earphones or headset. And just let me show you the right side first. So this is the right side of the headset. And as you can see, it does swivel as well from the hinge. So plenty of adjustability there. Good range of motion. And then, of course, as I've shown earlier, so all kinds of rotation and swivel of the ear cups. So as you can see, there are controls on the lower edge. So once again, we're still looking at the right hand side or right side ear cup. And there's track playback control with the previous play, pause, and next track. And then there is a flap here for the micro USB cable to plug in to power or charge up the headset. Let's go ahead and close that flap back up. And of course, on the left hand side, we're looking at the left hand side now. There are controls on the lower edge as well for power on, and I believe it's volume down, volume up. And there's a small mesh here, or metal grill. And then there is a pinhole here, which I believe is for the built-in microphone to receive. Let's see if we can extend the headband. So the headband does extend. Once again, try to get it to focus. So that's the maximum extension right there. And of course, we can set it to intermediate positions and then fully closed. And of course, same deal on this side. And just to show you the full extension of the headband. And then once again, fully closed. And then let's turn it the other way around just so you can see what it looks like on the front side. So the left side is in my left hand back again, and right in my right hand, just to show you the headset once again in a different perspective or angle. And of course there is a 3.5mm audio in socket or jack there for direct music playback using the included 3.5mm double-ended audio cable right there. Okay, so let's go ahead and turn it on already by pressing and holding down on the power button right there. And you could hear that melodic tone come on. And there is also a tiny blue LED that's flashing. So what I thought was the microphone pinhole is actually an LED light. Okay, so now that the headset is on, let's go ahead and bring my Sony Xperia Z5 compact Android smartphone, and let's go ahead and pair it using the NFC tag. So there is an NFC tag on the headset right there. So the quickest way to pair it is by NFC. And just like that, you can see the prompt come up, pair with Ausdom M04s. Let's go ahead and tap yes. And just like that, it is paired. So let's go ahead and launch the YouTube app. Let me just turn the headset back around to the right orientation, so left side on the left. And let's go tap on this track. Okay, it hasn't connected. Let me try pairing it again. And look for the NFC tag. And let's tap yes again. And I think I might have separated the headset and phone before it had a proper connection right there. And let's have a look in the Bluetooth settings. And let's try again. And this time let's keep it down until it's fully paired. Okay, so no deal there. Let's do it the traditional way by going into and enabling Bluetooth. So the blue light is still flashing on the headset, but it does not want to be found. So let's try turning off and pressing and holding it right through. To get it into the proper pairing mode. So now it is in the proper pairing mode with the red and blue flashing. So this should work this time around. So I do apologize for not doing it right the first time. Alright, and just like that, it is connected. So I wasn't in the right mode before. Have to press and hold it all the way down until we see the red-blue flashing lights for the pairing mode. So now it's successfully connected using NFC very quickly. Now we can switch to the YouTube app and play some music. And of course, skip the ad. And you can hear the audio coming through quite nicely on the headset. And of course we can adjust the volume as well, so let's go ahead and tap on the volume, and you can see the volume slider respond accordingly on my smartphone's display. And let's see if we can pause it. So pausing works with the YouTube app and this pair of headset. And let's raise the volume some more on the phone and then increase it on the headset. Okay, so that is the maximum volume right there. It's nice and crisp and loud and clear. And let's bring the volume back down. So that's the Ausdom M04s wireless Bluetooth headset. Thanks for watching and happy listening.